let's make this delicious coconut guandules guisado with pumpkin. Delicious. And here we have the fresh ingredient that we are going to use to make our guandules guisado con coco, which is guandules with coconut. So we have a nut with thyme, fresh cilantro, and fresh culantro. We have fresh garlic. We have red pepper and green pepper. We have a quarter of a white onion and purple onion. And we have Cambodia pumpkin in here as well, or Jamaican pumpkin, or auyama, how we know in the Dominican Republic. And here I have the dry ingredients. I have black pepper, adobo, turmeric, paprika, oregano, and chicken cube. I'm gonna add oil to my pot, and I'm going to stir fry all of these ingredients. I will be using coconut oil because I'm making it with coconut, so that's gonna give a little kick of flavor. Fresh Dominican oregano. And now that our pumpkin are nice and soft, we're going to take the big pieces and we're going to put it in our blender with 2 spoons of the guandule, and we're going to blend it. I removed the knot that I have with the thread for the cilantro, the culantro, and the thyme, and I removed the onion that I put as a whole, and now we're going to add it so we can blend it. And now we're going to add the nice and blend consistency with all the flavor. Delicious. Thank you for staying into the end. I hope you have enjoyed this delicious recipe as much as I have enjoyed making it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. God bless, and I see you in the next one.